What's up, my friends? In today's video, it's going to be a special one because I got behind me two excavators, 1.5 ton and 1.7 ton. So I don't know what they were thinking when they sent me these, but they said, Mateo, we like your videos. We'll send you two excavators. If you can make some videos showing how anyone can get an excavator for 250, 300 bucks a day and learn how to operate one in less than a few hours. At the end of this video, I'll invite one of my old buddies that's a professional excavator operator, and we'll see what kind of differences you got between a noob and a professional. Let's go. I have to excavate a lot, and then we need 4 to 6 inches of gravel under the pavers. I forgot, you can't start the engine without lifting this up. So this has to be up, then you start, then you lower this, then everything else works.
One hour later.
God damn, that's hard. Whoa! Oh no. Uh-oh. I just feel like I'm gonna break something here. Oh man, no! Alright, that's pretty easy. Pretty easy. Let's do it. Let's go. Alright. Anyone can operate this. Anyone. Honestly, take it in your front yard or your backyard, go super gently. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. Let's try and get this done now. Let's turn it off. And now maybe I could explain to you guys more of the controls. So this one here was moving that stick over there. You see it pulls it and this pushes it. So if I push, whereas this one, if I pulled back, this main boom was pulling back. It'll pull the entire thing up. If I push this to the right, it opens the bucket. And if I pull it in, it brings in the bucket. This one to the left moves the entire body, and if we push it right, we do a 360 pretty much. Honestly, a really fun little toy, I'm not gonna lie. There's the horn. And now for the blade. This push down, it pushes the blade down. And if you lift it up, it lifts up. These two little guys, if I pull them both, it's each track. So if I pull on this one only, you'll see that this track moves. And now if you take both of them turn. So these little pedals at the feet actually rotate this. Also, lower the RPM to go even slower. Whoa, oh, my bad. Always gotta lower that. I'm a noob. But this is fun, I can't wait to do this all weekend. Okay, I feel like something bad's gonna happen here. Something's off. Okay, you know what, I'm actually just gonna go back and forth. Oh, uh-oh, buried myself in a track. This can't be good. Okay, oh shoot, let's try this again now. Okay, let's rotate. Don't fall in the pool. All right, you see here, I am so low. I don't know why I went this deep, but whatever. That's how deep I went. That must be a root or something, because that wasn't going anywhere. See that maneuver? I just did like 3 things at once. Jeez. I'm actually just gonna back it out. yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of it now. Oh yeah. No, not on the pool. Lower the blade. Always put the blade down. My goodness, how many times am I going to say that? Woohoo! Thank you so much, Minipelle.ca, for sponsoring this video and letting me play with these excavators. For you guys out there, if you're near Quebec, Montreal, Ottawa, these guys are located in Vaudreuil, Quebec. Go check them out. Not gonna lie, this is actually quite fun. I could definitely do this all day long if this is your job. I'm kind of jealous. All right, so I took a 2-3 day break, had a lot of work, but now I'm gonna try and get back. It just stopped raining. I'm gonna try and load up the truck. I got my buddy's truck for the weekend. I didn't tell my buddy that passed me the truck that this was the first time riding an excavator. I don't think he would have lent me the truck doing all these sketchy maneuvers. We'll see what he thinks of this once I release the video. All right, so I pretty much got the top layer out here. I think I'm pretty deep. I think I'm deep enough. Now I just need to make sure to scrape everything nice and smooth and flat and get all of this stuff into the truck so I could get it out of here. All right, so this is day 3 of the excavation project, and I'm realizing something. I dug, I think, a little bit too deep in some areas. Day number 3, I'm really happy with the progress in terms of how I'm getting the hang of these joysticks. I should have checked how many hours the machine had when I got it, but I don't think I've used this more than an hour and a half each day. Oh, I forgot. So the way I've been doing it is scraping and pulling towards where the truck is, and then making like a pile, and then backing up, and then scraping that pile back. And now I'm at a point where I could just pick it up, rotate, make another pile behind me, and then pick up from the pile and dump it into the truck. So now I'm just gonna try and up to here, I guess. All right. Oh, cool. That's pretty early for lunch. It's not even 11. I'm filming. I don't... All right. And if you like Arbo MTL's branding or website, if you want something like that, you know who to call. Send me a message on capstudio.com. See you soon. Mateo, my name, M-A-T-E-O, and then write gazebo.
problem.
It's good? Don't fall in the pool, don't fall in the pool, don't fall in the pool. So I found that the best technique to loading up this truck is to get nice and close to it and then move my boom, angle it like this. And then I try and stay close to the body, and then as soon as I clear the fence, that's when I start extending the second arm. And then I kind of push the dirt, and I push the dirt as I'm pushing out. And that's how I'm able to get the dirt all the way to the front of the truck. Let's go, pick it up, swivel around, push it forward, tilt bucket, yeah. I found the amount of hours on the machine. Guess how many? Just wait for it. You see that? 3.1 hours. 3.1 hours. All right, so this is my other cool neighbor. He went to school with me. This is what he does for a living. So he said 10,000 hours. I only got 3.5 hours experience about. Now he's gonna help me. He just laughed because I have it too deep everywhere. Let's see what you guys think. The noob or the pro? Which one's better?
What you can do is that you make sure that when you turn that thing too close to the mat, you lift, and you're outside towards where you're going. This one, so you're gonna pivot on yourself, do something.
Oh, nice.
Like this.
Oh, bro, I needed that. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm actually gonna remove my mic. I'm gonna put it on this pro, and he's gonna give you guys a few pointers.
Your blade is like a mini bulldozer to some extent. So you could use it to push and back, push and back. Back usually is to erase your track. So when you end up leaving your job site, you always back blade everything so everything's level and clean. And as you're driving back and forth, you're compacting with the weight of your own machine. I'm helping compact the soil at the same time, you know? And then, like, let's say you get close to something, well, all you do is you bring your boom up and you turn sideways, which is this one is here. So you go like this. So by doing so, you know that you're not past your front blade. So whatever you do, going close to an object in front of you, I can go as close as I can to the camera, and no matter what happens, I know that my bucket will never hit in front of me because I pivot it in front of me, and I still get to see both my corners of my blade. That's how you get to see your grade, both ends. When it starts to overflow on the side of a blade, well, you know you have either too much or too little, for example. And like, for example, right now, I'm missing maybe a bit there. So then I'll take my bucket, grab a bucket, put it in front of me, and then I'll push it. And like, let's say you're in a tight spot and you find that your reach of your bucket isn't really how you want it, you can play with the length of the bucket by pivoting. So right now I'm this far away, but if I go like this, I'm suddenly as if I'm further away. So I can go kind of under deeper without hitting the top of my bucket, kind of. So you're playing with the length of your boom without changing the position of your tracks. Real operators do that. Fake operators go, I don't pivot the side of the boom. Or let's say you want to go against a foundation more square, more flush. Well, you gotta turn your neck, gotta work a bit your body. Machine is a bit nervous, it's new. Any new machine will be very nervous, as they call it, jittery. The wear and tear on an excavator is good. Not too much, because that's wiggle. You don't want wiggle. And then now, the new machines have GPS. We have GPS just for excavation on heights and measurements. They're not assisted. So it doesn't help you up and down, left or right, but big companies that you see, without naming them, those rocks of the world and all that, they have excavators and bulldozers that the operator just goes front, reverse, and that's it. Us, at the company that I work, for example, it only tells me my heights when I'm digging with a big like a 40-ton excavator. And that, yeah, thank you. So what we're gonna do is kind of fill this corner, and then once this corner is there, and you know it's somewhat flat, it kind of gives you a reference point. If you like it, okay, that's pretty much your height. Well, then you can reverse your machine and start from there. You know you're not starting all crooked. Because right now, I'm fixing our friend's lack of experience. But to be honest with you, just the fact that you have the courage of doing it without having too much fear, good on you, man. Good on you. Always look ahead for wires. Doesn't mean you're digging or you're pushing ground, that there's nothing up top of you. It could be gutters, trees, electrical lines. And out of experience, you never turn over a pool. I did. Because then you have gravel at the bottom of the pool.
All right, so I know I told you guys I'd be doing this by myself, but my buddy here, neighbor, professional operator, couldn't help himself. He's like, yo dude, I'm there in 5 minutes. Look at this grade he just did. Absolutely insane. The technique he's got on this blade, the control he's got, the tips and tricks he's taught us, goddamn thank you. Would you buy a Minipelle?
One day, 100%.
Yeah?
1,000%.
Minipelle.ca. Check it out. Bro. What?
I'll give you
Oh, nice. And he's giving me free geotextile. God damn. Let's go get that geotextile.